Alright guys, I got one of my dual motor VTE2s. Have not run this car in a while. I'm going to try to make a 6S pass with it here. Zeroed out. I had to put a new chassis under this thing. So yeah, we'll see if I can get a run with it. If it doesn't run straight, I'll probably just call it a night here, but I might be able to get a good pass with it. All right, let's see, 20. All right, get her turned around. I was just running a couple other cars, but the car I ran before this, I could not see it all on the road, but this one I can see it just fine. So we're gonna see what it'll do here. All right, 6S pass, here we go. All right, it was, let's see, she was pulling just a hair to the left. But at least it was a pretty clean run. The last time I ran this car, I actually ran into the, hold on, I actually ran into my ladder at the airport. Lost some batteries. I was running 8S. It was like 170 mile an hour pass, but it hit a bump on that airstrip, and that was all she wrote. All right. Pulling a little bit, but I stayed in it. I think, yeah. $170. Nice. It was a good run. So, yep, 6S pass.